Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you the difference between the words weather and weather. So these words are homophones. They sound the same, but they are spelled differently. The first word is spelled W-E-A-T-H-E-R, and this word is related to the climate. So if you want to ask somebody if it's sunny, if it's cold, if it's hot, you should say, "What's the weather like?" What's the weather like? I would like to remind you that we use the structure what plus like when we want somebody to describe something. For example, what's your city like? Describe it. Okay? What's the weather like? Describe it. And the person should be able to answer, oh, it's really hot today. It's cold. It's sunny. It's raining. It's windy. Okay? So that's our first option here. And then we have the word weather. This word is spelled W-H-E-T-H-E-R. And I like to think that because I have two H's in the word, I have options, okay? I know that it's the same letter, but it just reminds me to think about how to spell it. So when I have options, I have more than one. And that's what reminds me of how I can spell this word correctly, okay? So let's see. I don't know whether I should stay here or go home. So I have two options here. I can stay here or I can go home, right? Whether you like it or not, you must pay your bills. Whether you like it or not, you must pay your bills. So whenever you see a phrase like this, all right, so something that you cannot separate, this is called a chunk. All right, so it's very common to hear people saying, whether you like it or not, you must do your homework. Whether you like it or not, you must graduate from high school if you want to have a decent job, and so on. So you don't have a choice, okay? I don't know whether she likes milk in her coffee or not. I don't know whether she likes milk in her coffee or not. So in this case, whenever I use the word whether, I also use or not because I'm talking about choice, alternative, okay? And a lot of people use the word if instead of whether, which is okay. It's interchangeable, but there is a slight difference between them. And the difference is that if is usually used to talk about conditions. Look at the difference. She won't drink coffee if there's milk in it. Okay, so that's a condition. So she says no to milk. She doesn't like milk. So if you are wondering whether or not you should use these words, you can always watch this video to think about what you would like to use. All right, so I hope that this lesson is helpful, and I hope that you don't have any trouble using these words in the future. And thank you for watching my video. See you next class. Bye bye. Take care.